Warden Station, a key component of Toronto's Line 2 Bloor Danforth subway, is undergoing a significant transformation aimed at enhancing accessibility, modernizing infrastructure, and revitalizing the surrounding community. This comprehensive redevelopment is part of the Toronto Transit Commission's Easier Access program, which seeks to make all subway stations fully accessible. Opened in 1968, Warden Station served as the eastern terminus of Line 2 for over a decade. Designed during an era less attuned to accessibility needs, the station's multi-level layout has presented challenges for passengers with mobility impairments. The original design featured a two-level bus terminal with a concourse above ground-level bus bays, each bay accessible only via stairways leading to the concourse, a configuration that hindered seamless movement for all users. As of March 2025, the Warden Station renovation is progressing as planned. On January 5, 2025, the original bus terminal was permanently closed to facilitate its demolition and the construction of a new modern terminal. A temporary accessible bus terminal has been established in the south commuter parking lot to ensure uninterrupted service during this period. The station's redevelopment is part of the Toronto Transit Commission's Easier Access program, aiming to enhance accessibility across the transit system. Key improvements at Warden Station include the installation of two new elevators connecting the passenger pickup drop-off area, concourse level, and subway platform. These elevators are expected to be operational by mid-2025. The new permanent bus terminal is scheduled for completion by the end of 2027. This facility will feature 12 street-level bus bays, 2 elevators, 2 escalators, and spaces designed for retail outlets, all designed to meet modern accessibility standards. These upgrades are anticipated to significantly improve the transit experience for all users, aligning with the TTC's commitment to universal accessibility. The redevelopment includes improved signage and wayfinding systems, wider sidewalks, and a more pedestrian-friendly public realm. These upgrades aim to create a safer and more inviting environment for all users. Beyond the station itself, the project is part of a broader revitalization effort in the Warden and St. Clair Avenue area. Plans include the development of mixed-income housing on the former TTC commuter parking lot and the enhancement of nearby park and public spaces, contributing to the community's overall vibrancy. Honestly, the Warden Station renovation is long overdue, and I have mixed feelings about how the project has been handled. On the one hand, the improvements, especially full accessibility, a modernized bus terminal, and better pedestrian connections are crucial. The original 1968 design was never built with accessibility in mind, and for decades anyone with mobility challenges has had a terrible experience at this station. The fact that it's finally being brought into the 21st century is a win. But here's the problem. Why is it taking so long? The TTC has been talking about accessibility upgrades for years, and Warden has been one of the worst offenders in terms of outdated infrastructure. The temporary bus terminal setup means riders are dealing with disruptions until at least 2027, and let's be real, given how TTC projects tend to go, that deadline could easily slip further. Another issue is the loss of the commuter parking. The new housing development on the former TTC parking lot is a good move for density, but the TTC still lacks a real strategy for suburban commuters. If the goal is to get people out of their cars, then transit alternatives, like better bus connections and improved service reliability, should be in place before the parking lot disappears. Right now, Scarborough Transit riders are still dealing with the mess left behind of the closure of the Line 3 SRT, and this project doesn't exactly help in the short term. Overall, I support the project, but I wish it wasn't taking nearly a decade to complete. It's yet another example of how slow and inefficient transit upgrades can be in Toronto. By the time this is finished, we'll probably be already talking about needing further upgrades. Upon completion, the redeveloped Warden Station is expected to serve as a modern, fully accessible transit hub that not only meets the diverse needs of its users, but also acts as a catalyst for community revitalization. The integration of mixed-income housing and enhanced public spaces around Taylor-Massey Creek aims to foster a more connected and vibrant neighborhood, reflecting the city's commitment to inclusive urban development. This transformation underscores Toronto's dedication to creating an equitable and efficient public transit system that benefits all residents and visitors. I hope that you liked the video. If so, please give it a like. If you're not subscribed and want to be notified of new videos that are released, please click on the Art Toronto button here. This is the video that I would recommend for you to watch next, and I'm sure that you're going to love it. Here's the playlist for all of the latest in transit news and views that you're going to find very informative and interesting. And finally, here is the latest video. Thanks for watching and happy transiting.